Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to film a quick little core circuit with 3 different stages. So these 3 different stages would take you from like very beginner to kind of early beginner intermediate. I wanted to give you a variety of options, and these little circuits should be performed 3 rounds, 10 reps for each movement. And it's great to add to like after a cardio workout or as part of your warm-up. Just to give your core like a little bit of extra stimulus, a little bit of extra work to help you continue to strengthen it. And once stage 1 becomes easy, you can move on to stage 2 and then to stage 3. Yeah, if you do it, film it, tag me or post a picture, I would love to see it. And we'll just get started. So the very first one is a quadruped forward rock. So you'll get on all fours, and then you're just gonna lean forward, put your shoulders past your fingertips, and then lean back. So kind of exhale as you lean forward, hold it for a second or 2, and inhale back. Exhale forward, inhale back. And your core should have to work to keep you stable as you do that. Exhaling through these movements, particularly in the beginning, will be really important. It'll help you to really engage your core and use your core correctly. If you have more questions about how to use your core correctly, reach out to me, let's talk about it. The second one is called bird dog. So if you have trouble with coordination, you can start with just the arms and then just the legs. Exhaling with each one and then try to combine them. So true bird dog is opposite arm and leg goes up and then back down. Exhale them up, inhale them down, exhale them up, inhale them down. So 10 total of those. The last one is a march with your feet down. There's a bunch of different ways to do a march. This one will be the easiest one. So you start on your back, feet on the ground, engaging through your core. You exhale as you lift your foot on each side. And these are very slow, intentional movements. You're kind of holding each position for a moment and really like letting your body sense what it's doing and get an idea for each move and how to do it. The next one is stage 2, and the first one is a Russian twist. As you advance, you can do a Russian twist with weight, but for this purposes, as it's kind of like just the beginning, and for beginners, we'll do it just body weight. The key with the Russian twist is to balance kind of between your tailbone and your sits bones, and it's a twisting movement. So you want to twist, like watch my shoulders, they're side to side, and then I'm going to twist to this side and twist to the opposite side. And so you're balancing and controlling through your core as you're twisting to each side. 1, 2, 3, and as these become easier, you can have, each side be 1 rep. So 1, 2, if you want to add more. The second one is a reverse crunch. So for that one, we'll be on our back again. Hands on the ground. Your feet will be up, and you'll lower them down just a little bit and bring them back up to your chest. Exhale as you draw them into your chest. Try not to use too much momentum, because then it's, you're not working very hard. Try to really go slow and control through your core as you do this. The third one is marching with feet up. So we started with the feet down last time. This time, we'll start with our feet up and exhale as we drop them down. So both feet stay up at 90 degrees. Exhale as you lower and tap your toes to the ground. The farther away your toes tap or your heel, the harder it is, and the closer they tap, the easier it is. So 10 of those. For stage 3, 10 each. We'll start with a hip lift. So for a hip lift, kind of like the reverse crunch, but a little bit more difficult. Your legs will stay straight up in the air as you exhale and lift your hips up. Also heard these called candlesticks. The second one is a bear lift. So for the bear lift, you'll come to a quadruped position, toes tucked under, and you're going to lift your knees up off the ground just a couple of inches. And you're going to hold this for 3 to 5 seconds. And then you'll lower down. feel your core working and you feel it in your legs as well. The last one is the Deadbug. So you can see march feet down, and Deadbug is kind of the third progression to the march where you add your arms. So last time we had feet up, now we'll keep feet up, but our arms will also be up. You'll basically do bird dog on your back. So the opposite arm and leg, opposite arm and leg. When you're not talking, you would exhale. Inhale back up. Exhale them down. Inhale back up. Exhale them down. Inhale back up. That's it. Those are all the movements. The first ones, stage one, for the most part, should be safe for pregnancy and postpartum. If you have any questions, you can talk to your doctor. You can reach out to me or your phone with a physical therapist to make sure that those are appropriate for you. But yeah, if you do it, please tell me. I would love to hear how it goes. And I'll continue to post additional stages in another video so that you can keep to progress your core workouts.